Here I have REALME C3i, and today I'm going to show you how to enter recovery mode on this device. So first of all, you have to turn your device off, and after it turns off completely, you have to hold down combination of keys, power key and volume down at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. After you see the screen turns on and there's little letters here saying recovery mode, you can release all keys, and after that you will end up in recovery mode. Here at the recovery mode, firstly what you have to do is to select language. Let's select English. You can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, but you can also just use screen. Here you have such options as install from storage, online update, wipe data, reboot and power off. If you want to exit recovery mode, you can select the last option, power off, and just turn off your device, or you can select the last option, reboot, and just restart it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.